Hey everyone! In the previous video we started exploring the Insert tab in Excel. Today we continue with the next tools: charts, sparklines, filters, links, comments, text, and symbols. This is beginner friendly. We'll focus on what each tool is for and how to use it in a simple way, without going deep into advanced settings. A chart is just a visual version of your data. Instead of reading numbers, you can instantly see patterns like trends, highs, lows, and comparisons. Step 1. Select your data, including the headers. Now go to Insert and choose a simple column chart. Excel creates the chart for you automatically, and for beginners, that's totally enough. Notice this, for example. When I change a number in the table, the chart updates instantly. That's why charts are great for reports. They stay connected to your data. The biggest tip for beginners is to just keep it simple. One chart, one clear message, and use it to compare or show a trend. We'll do a deep dive on charts in a separate video. Sparklines are mini charts inside a single cell. They're not meant for big presentations. They're meant for quick trend tracking inside tables. Let's create sparklines for each product. First, I select where the sparklines will go. Then, Insert, then Sparklines, then Line. For the data range, I select the monthly numbers. And now each row gets a tiny trend line. And now I can scan this table and immediately see, is the trend going up, down, or staying flat, without reading every number. Filters help you focus on only the rows you need. And the most important beginner rule: filtering hides rows. It does not delete your data. I click the filter drop-down and I choose only one region, for example North. Now Excel shows only those rows. And you can of course stack filters. Now we're looking at North plus Office, a smaller, focused view. To go back to the full data set, just clear the filters and everything comes back. Links in Excel are great for navigation. You can link to a website, create an email link, or jump to another sheet inside the same workbook. Here's a web link. It opens in the browser. Here's an email link. It prepares a new email draft. And this one jumps to another worksheet. Super useful in beginner files. Comments are for collaboration. Think of them like sticky notes attached to a cell, especially useful when you work with other people. I can add a comment to leave a note, ask a question, or give feedback, without changing the actual data. There's also something like notes in Excel, but comments are the modern way for conversations and replies. Text tools let you add text that's not tied to cells. A text box is useful for titles, labels, and simple dashboard headers. I can place it anywhere, move it around, and use it as a clean title. For beginners, keep it readable and don't over-decorate. Simple is professional. Symbols are special characters you don't always have on your keyboard, like check marks, arrows, currency signs, or math symbols. Insert, then Symbol lets you pick the exact character you need. It's great for simple visual indicators in reports, like completed tasks or direction arrows. If you ever see formulas like unichar, that's another way to create symbols. We'll cover it later. Now you know what these insert tab tools are used for: charts, sparklines, filtering via tables, links, comments, text boxes, and symbols. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you soon.